Bonjour. Hi. This is a short presentation of the interface of the new NAS from QNAP. It's a combo NAS, so it's a mix of a standard NAS with all the functionality and an Android system used to manage the visualization and the interface to the system. So the TES X68 model are a small box for the coach to able to run at the same time in the same box the NAS with all its functionality and an Android 4.4.4 system and able to manage direct access to data in the NAS itself using the network, using any application. The base is an ARM v7 processor, dual core, and 2 GB of memory, I think, and so on. So I just show you what is the interface when you use Android on the TES X68 in a real usage. In fact, with a system that I run myself and not marketing demonstration. So the first step is to log. You can choose any login, but I chose the admin for simplicity. And when you are logged in, you are under a normal Android interface. So you have to understand that you can use a mouse, a keyboard, and a TV or HDMI screen connected to the QNAP, but you can also use specific remote control like this. So with all the button need and volume increase, decrease, and so on, to manage directly with remote control all the aspect of the Android interface. So you can see the interface with at the bottom all the three standard buttons: back, home, application, parameters here. Here it's for the notification. No. Here it's to restart. The Android part is to stop or start or restart the NAS, the QNAP itself. You have the date time, the login, the health status, so it's a possibility to have an idea of the status of the system, and over time the notification. But as any system, Android system, you can also have a notification just by flip down your mouse or your system up to see the notification. The health status show you the status of the system, the status of the hardware disk, in my case is 1, and the performance monitoring, the RAM, and the throughput, and some information from them. So he analyze the HDD. Okay, it's correct. For the rest, you have application. It's Android application only. You have Chrome. My NAS is a QTS, is a Chrome access to the administration of the NAS itself. So you do a connection from the Android part to the QTS part to manage your system as you want and you need. Oh, my camera. Sorry, I will start to have a better image. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I can make a connection. And I receive a standard menu from any QNAP to manage my application, my system, my services, and so on and so on. Okay. Just to show you that it's possible to do that. Okay. and I go out. Okay. The other possibility are to the market. There were two markets, the Play Store, that you know, Google Market, or the Q Market, the market for QNAP. So the application are the standard application for QNAP for Android system, but it's also a Kodi version that are able to show the disk inside the NAS directly. All are prefixed by QTS to identify it easily. There were also some recommended applications. Well, it's a keyboard, it's learning. In communication, there are some interesting things like Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection, Facebook, and so on and so on. You can play with a lot of things here. Okay. You are also able to put other applications. So, for example, on the second menu, I have a SSH client and Kodi. So, for example, if I want to show what is running with Kodi, it's a V15.0 and one system, information system, Android 4.4.4, and for the video, you see it's ARM. It's an ARM V7 processor, 2 CPU, and it's a Kodi 15.0 RC2. So how I can play a video, it's like on that. So you can see the QTS to see that it's the folder managed by the NAS part. I go in my TV. And I play my video with the video acceleration coming from the system. So the video acceleration is defined here as usual, parameter video acceleration. You can see two mod authorized media codec and lib stage frame. Okay. And it's all. Now, for example, I can use the standard Android application from QNAP. Connect to my local NAS. And I can manage my collection, my album, and so on, without a specific thing to do. Same for music, same for video. I don't think it's very interesting to go. Last point is just to show you that you can also use to manage a sort of desktop access is the example of SSH. So I use my local connection. I make a connection. Oops, secure. And here I am in the NAS part of my system. You can see all the activity. All the standard resource, and so on and so on. So you have a full access to a lot of applications directly on the screen using an Android system, but inside a NAS system. You have also some specific menu to complete both. Where you don't want to go up. Yeah, so it's the screen background, the wallpaper, the application management, and the system parameters. And also you have, when you click long time, it's exactly, you can see the cross. It's exactly like if you do some things when you push with your finger on the system, and so on and so on. Okay, it's all. Thank you.